Location, location, location. I'm standing here at Suburban Square, only about a half mile, 10-minute walk away from the property. This shopping center has gone through some major renovations with some brand new stores, restaurants, SoulCycle, Lifetime Fitness. You have the farmers market, Trader Joe's, and so many more high-end shopping centers here. I can't wait to show you more about the area. Let's go take a look. Here from Vanguard Realty Alliance, and I am standing at 151 Roosevelt Terrace in Ardmore. Thanks for joining me over at Suburban Square. Like I said, it's about a half mile away, but not only that, there's more to this area. Right across the street here, you have a park with soccer fields, baseball fields, tennis courts, volleyball courts, playground for the kids. At the end of the block, you have the Ardmore Swim Club. This way at the end of the block, you have a shopping center with breweries, restaurants, wellness, a gym. And then right up the block here, you have Ardmore Historical District. Again, with so many additional shops and restaurants. Everything you need is within walking distance of this house. Now, let's talk about what we did to this place. I am standing in a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, over 3,300 square foot house that was completely renovated. We put on new roof, windows, siding, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, kitchens, bath. I could go on and on about the place, but I'd rather just show you. Come on, take a look.